Alright, this is a quick video where I want to illustrate the problem. Why is the joystick behaving in this way when I have set all the curves, like sensitivity is on linear. And the joystick behaves like this. Look, it should be moving in a linear fashion, but it's very sensitive on the sides and not very sensitive in the middle here. Look, it goes from the center and then all the way to the extreme. Like here, halfway through, it snaps and becomes very sensitive. Look, small movements out here, small movements in here, and look at this. Why is it not like this on the pitch axis? Look at this. I pull it back. It's linear. I push it forward through center. It's linear. This is how it should be on the aileron, on the roll axis as well. Why isn't it? Why is the roll axis like this? Look, I'll even show you. I'll even show you my settings. Okay, Rapcore Javelin, sensitivity, perfectly linear, no dead zone, sensitivity on 0. Both axes are the same. One interesting note, though, is that the game, when I'm on the roll axis, you see how the joystick behaves like it is smoother in the center and more reactive on the extremes. However, looking at the actual ailerons, okay, looking at the actual ailerons, as you can see, this is me moving them. They are acting linearly. So they are acting, and the game is probably feeling like it should. However, the in-game, the cockpit joystick, the in-game cockpit joystick is not acting the way it should. Now, is this a fault in my settings, or is it a fault with the game? Is it something I'm missing? Please tell me.